Hi, I'm Chengwei Liu. I'm an associate professor at European School of Management and Technology in Berlin. And I was educated in University of Cambridge. And since my PhD time 10 years ago, my research topic is always centering around the role of luck and its implication for business and society. Probably say everyone may have their own definition of luck. And to me, it's really just like something unexpected or random happened to us, but it also bring a very significant consequence, good or bad. If it's good, and then we call it we're lucky, and if it's bad, and then we're unlucky. The definition of success is context dependent and individual dependent, right? I teach in ESMT, a business school, so many people will define success like business performances. And the relation between success and luck is really a complicated one, and actually that's the focus of my research. To what extent we can attribute a success to their skill, intrinsic quality, or their effort, or to being at the right place at the right time. That is luck. For example, for business practitioners, my research question has implication for them because then they have to decide to what extent they should reward their high performing employees, or to what extent they should imitate their rivals' best practices. One of the grand challenges I think my research program can contribute is really try to provide some remedy to the social inequality we witness in many different modern societies. So the question is really the social inequality, like the richest people, whether they deserve all the wealth they obtained. If it's really like based on their investment insight, for example, and their effort, of course, then they deserve. But my research findings suggest that, well, if you're talking about the richest, a lot of factors beyond their control matters a lot. And then it implies that we should probably adjust the tax policy and also redistributed policy. But this is going to be very, very challenging, of course. So it needs more and more rigorous evidence to support these policy changes. So I would say this will be my next grand challenge based on my research program. I would like to think some of my research finding and possible insight can help change the world. And I think the two main things I focus on is the implication of luck for business and also societies. So on business, I really try to design a policy or design a way to help organization to promote and reward the right person rather than reward some people for their good luck or bad luck. On the other hand, the implication of luck for society is also really important because social inequality is huge in many societies, and many of the wealthiest people or the most powerful people, they may not deserve all this attention they got. And my research finding can suggest when and to what extent this redistributed policy should be designed to attenuate the negative consequences introduced by social inequality.